Hello, I'm Thomas from the Coin Reviews video channel. Gate.io is one of the longest-standing cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a wide range of assets and trading options. Its competitive fee structure makes it a go-to choice for traders globally. Let's dive into the transaction fees on Gate.io and explore how to save on your trading costs. 1. Spot trading fees. Gate.io employs a maker-taker fee structure for spot trading. Makers who add liquidity pay a standard fee starting at 0.2%. Takers who remove liquidity also pay 0.2%. Users can enjoy significant fee discounts by increasing their 30-day trading volume or holding Gate.io's native token, GT, Gate token. 2. Futures trading fees. For perpetual contracts, Gate.io offers lower fees. Makers start with a fee as low as 0.015%. Takers are charged 0.05%. Traders with higher volumes benefit from lower fees through Gate.io's VIP tiers. 3. Withdrawal fees. Gate.io charges withdrawal fees based on the cryptocurrency being withdrawn. These fees vary by asset and are updated regularly to reflect blockchain network conditions. For instance, Bitcoin withdrawals might incur a fixed fee in BTC. 4. Deposit fees. There are no deposit fees for cryptocurrencies on Gate.io. However, you should consider the network transaction fees imposed by your wallet provider. 5. Margin trading fees. Gate.io applies interest fees for funds borrowed during margin trading. These rates vary depending on the borrowed cryptocurrency and the duration of the loan. 6. Other fees. Copy trading fees. If you use Gate.io's copy trading feature, there may be profit-sharing fees charged by the traders you follow. Gate earn fees. Most of Gate.io's staking and earn products are free, though some specialized products may include management fees. How to reduce fees on Gate.io. Use GT tokens. Hold and use GT to pay trading fees and receive up to a 50% discount. Upgrade to a VIP tier. Higher trading volumes unlock VIP levels, reducing both maker and taker fees. Join promotions. Gate.io frequently offers fee rebates, trading competitions, and bonuses for new users and specific trading pairs. Exclusive offer for new users. Ready to trade on Gate.io? Sign up through the referral link in the video description to receive an exclusive 20% rebate on all transaction fees. Start your trading journey with lower costs and access to one of the most comprehensive cryptocurrency exchanges. Don't wait. Click the link, register your account, and trade smarter with Gate.io today.